Hey guys, welcome back to the Bimmer channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're working on the Mini Cooper again, so stay tuned. Alright dude, so if you made it to the channel, you know what we're installing today. I recently got my hands on a brand new, in the box, M7 Super AGS induction system. That's a mouthful for a mouthful of intake. They are currently in LA. They came out a few years ago and they aren't really sold anymore. I'm sure that's for a few reasons, but you guys know that I love installing parts in my car, and especially rare parts. So as most of you know, I have installed an Alta Intake, and I did that a few months ago, sometime last year. I came up with my own carbon fiber heat shield to go over that unit. Probably going to be putting it up on the website at the end of the week. Make sure you guys check out the website. It's the best way to support the channel. So this is how it works. You go to the website, you see an item on there that you were going to purchase on eBay anyway, you click the Buy It Now tab, it takes you straight to eBay, and that seller gets the credit. I get a referral percentage for sending you guys over there, and everybody's happy. You're not pledging any money to me, and you're only spending money you would have spent anyway, and I get a kickback, and I get to keep making these videos for you guys. So if you want to support the channel, go down to the description down below, check out the website. If there's a part on there that you were gonna purchase on eBay anyway, and you want to see it, and you want to support the channel, send me an email via the contact section on the website. Either I'll add it to the site, or I'll send your own personal affiliate link. So guys, let's get back to what you guys came to the video for. Let's get this intake installed. Alright guys, so what this is, I think, is the filter for the intake itself. I'll leave a description of all the specs on how much this actually flows down in the description down below if you guys want to pick one up. However, I don't think that will be a viable option since these things aren't for sale anymore. So just in case you guys run across one for yourself and you want to pick it up for yourself. Alright, so the intake here, as you guys can see, it's unused. And this thing is a nice bit of kit here. It actually has a shroud, built-in aluminum shroud that I imagine just attaches to the base of the, yeah, there you go. You guys see that there. The Super AGS air intake system. Alright, so what we have here now is the base. And this is going to be the section that attaches itself to the top of the intake manifold, and it should basically bolt into the already provided holes that are on the manifold itself, and this filter and housing attached to the top. So let's get this open. Let me see if I can find a razor blade. Couldn't find one. Just use a screw, something sharp. Got it open. Let's see what we got here. Trying to contain myself. It's open, and this guy was not lying when he said it was brand new in the box. So we've got intake pipe. It's silicone hose. I believe this goes from this goes from the mass airflow sensor to the bottom of this shroud down here. Oh yeah. And already the craftsmanship, just the overall fit and finish of this is miles ahead of the Alta Intake. You see here it has mounting holes or brackets. There's kind of a velocity stack thing on the inside of here. It's actually powder coated. You can feel the texture on it. It's powder coated instead of painted, and it has some pretty decent welds in there. Someone's stacking dimes, as you can see. Wish my welding skills were that good, but one can only hope. So yeah, I guess all we have to do now is just to test fit this and get this, let's see, and that goes over the top, and yeah, all in all, that's a pretty solid unit, guys. So nothing left to do now but to get the old intake taken off. It shouldn't take too much time. I'm not going to bore you guys with all the ins and outs of how to take off the Alta Intake. You guys have probably seen that video. Yeah, let's stop talking and let's get that other intake off and get this bad boy on. Alright guys, so this part of the process is pretty straightforward. Taking off the Alta Intake. I probably am going to have to remove my catch can, move it out the way, but we're installing the Super AGS. It's going to be replacing that section over there. Unfortunately, we'll be getting rid of the foam filter there. Alright dude, so I want to go ahead and formally apologize. Some of you guys have asked me on Instagram what this thing is here. This is actually a oil water separator for a air compressor. I essentially made an oil catch can that I can actually keep an eye on. It's clear, and I can keep an eye on the engine and see how much blow-by I'm producing. I'll do a video on that and how I did that. As you can see, I did use the factory fittings, and it fits there and it kind of looks factory. So sorry guys for not informing you on that. I will do a video very soon on that. So off camera, I went ahead and flipped this. If you guys want more information, again, like I said before, I will do a video describing how I made this, but I basically flipped the system around, and I'll be reusing the same OEM clips. I'm just going to be rerouting it a certain way. That way I can install the AGS intake without any fuss. So it looks like we're on the home stretch. We got the shroud installed. We still have the PCV pipe routed. Now you can't see it, but it still looks clean. And in my opinion, this box setup is a lot cleaner than the Alta setup. I have very high hope that this setup will actually outperform the Alta. The only thing I'm not exactly thrilled about is that it does not utilize the factory induction or the cold air induction that comes right here by the headlights, and then later follows itself over here. This system does not have a pipe that leads to that. It only has one induction section right here by the velocity sack where the filter goes on top. So I'm really curious to see what kind of intake temperatures we will see going forward, but we won't know until we get it on there. So let's finish the final steps up and let's get this thing installed. Alright dudes, so that about wraps it up. We just saw the M7 Super AGS cold air intake system. This process seems like it may have taken a little bit longer just because I had to adapt some of my pre-existing hoses, some of my pre-existing setups for my catch can and the other catch can over here. But all in all, this job should only take about an hour and a half to install. So dudes, thank you guys for watching this video. I'm sure most of you guys are well aware that we've recently hit 1,000 subscribers, guys, and that is all thanks to you. I really appreciate all the support that you guys are giving me. You guys are awesome. awesome. I really want to thank those of you guys who have made your way to the Bimmer Dude Automotive Garage and purchased something off the site. Since it's currently nighttime and I need to go ahead and get inside the house, I want to go ahead and remind you guys to go down to the comments, leave a comment down below. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you dislike it, give me a thumbs down. Make sure while you're there to hit that subscribe button, hit that alert button if you want to be alerted for more videos. So, thank you guys for watching the Bimmer Dude channel, and as always, peace out and Godspeed, guys.